maybe she was calling the cops. It would be a real bummer for my fucking Saturday. Hey there guys, today is a very chilly day. It's cold as fuck, man, it's really cold. I mean, it's really terrible. I'm badly underdressed, so I'm suffering quite a bit. But let's see what we can find. And I also picked up a lot, and I mean a fucking shit ton of mud to my tires. So this is gonna be one fucking messy ride, cause yeah, I didn't realize it's so wet up there, and it really is. And mud is everywhere. But like I said, even though it's super cold today, it's also amazing weather. Amazing weather to explore some unknown places and shit. And as you can see, there is a deer in the far distance, and he's running away. He's running my direction almost. Yeah, that's bad, brother. I don't have a topic to talk about today because I'm really underprepared. But it's okay. Christmas time is really closing in, and because I have a few videos filmed ahead in case the weather is shit or something like that, that means this video will actually come up somewhere around Christmas time or during December, if I had to guess. Wow, this is really beautiful forest in here, and I really shouldn't be here on the bike. Maybe just a little, maybe for a little spin, and then I'm fucking off. Because something you don't want to do is to piss people off with my riding in the forest, because it's not really allowed in this country. And this bike has no license plate on it as well, so yeah, that could actually bother some people as well. But yeah, I remembered I have a great news. Wow, how could I forget this shit? Never mind. Well, the news, I finally made it through the waiting lines to the proper authorities, and this bike, after about 2 months of owning this bike, is finally officially mine, and it's street legal as well. I have all the paperwork, I have the license plate, I have everything. This bike is street legal. Once I put the license plate on it and maybe a turn lights, and after I fix the brake light and the headlight, which is quite a bit, honestly. And after that, this bike really is street legal and ready for some street use. Holy fuck, man, I have no idea where the fuck am I. Like, I have zero fucking idea. Holy shit. Man, I hope my tank is full. Because man, this can be one long fucking trip. There are so many racks. Okay, we'll see where this fucking leads. Okay, this is unexpected. Crossroad. Jesus fuck, man. Okay, I'm legit kinda lost here. Kinda fucking lost. Well, this is gonna be one hell of an episode because I'm gonna have to find my way out of this shit. That's gonna be some fun. Oh, this looks familiar, really. Oh yeah, man, I know where I am. Holy shit. I didn't even know there's this road that connects these two places. That's so amazing. And this is probably someone's property. Yeah. Wow. This is really tough terrain for me because I'm not used to ride these conditions. But there's one thing positive, I'm not cold anymore. Kinda warmed up with all the stress that I got lost in the fucking forest. And also the terrain isn't really friendly. But yeah, I have no idea how long this video is already, so I'm gonna have to guess, and I don't want to end it early because that would be shame. Wow, I can see the lake from up here. That's interesting. This is really fucking hard, and my hands hurt so much. Wow, little jump. Oh, okay, I can take that. This is actually kind of beautiful here. But yeah, I've been on this road a couple of times already, so now I kind of have a baseline where the fuck I am. So that's nice. And yeah, the view is kinda epic. It's a shame there are so many trees here, but yeah, anyways, I didn't even lost my phone. which is really good, because I had my pocket open where I have my phone. That would be god damn it, people. Oh boy, that's not good. That's not good, and they are not going to be happy. Thank God I don't have a license plate, because the woman was actually on her phone, and now I'm kinda scared. Maybe she was calling the cops. It would be a real bummer for my fucking Saturday. Man, I should probably get the fuck out quickly. So yeah, I'm almost out, and I can always say that I got lost during some ride or something. So yeah. And with all that said, and with the great news that this bike is really street legal, we're gonna part our ways, and I'm gonna do another vlog in the Czech language, because that's how I roll. I do the English first and Czech second. I don't know why, but that's how it is. So yeah, take care, ride safe, enjoy probably December, get some fucking presents for yourself, and peace.